Guys, welcome back to our channel. In the last video we discussed about the introduction of states of matter. In this video we will discuss about measurable properties of a gas. You may have doubt, can gas be measured? Yes, absolutely. Gas can be measured with the help of its properties. Now let us see what are the properties of gas. They are pressure, temperature, volume, mass, and finally number of moles. These are the 5 measurable properties of a gas. Now let us discuss one by one. Now pressure. Pressure can be defined as force per unit area, and the units of pressure are in SI. Force. The units of force is dyne in SI unit, and dyne in Newton in SI unit, and dyne in CGS. So pressure units are Newton per meter square. It is also called as Pascal, or in CGS dyne per centimeter square. And atomic pressure can be measured with help of ATM. And if it is very low pressure, we can measure with the help of torque. And if it is very high pressure, we can measure it with the help of bar. Here there are some conversions. If torque is given, we can convert easily into ATM, that is atmospheric pressure. If bar is given, then we can convert into ATM with the help, that is atmospheric pressure. These are the two useful conversions which are helpful as in the examination. And the devices which are useful to measure pressure are manometer and barometer. These are the two useful devices which are used to help measure the pressure. Now let us move into temperature. Let us discuss about the definition of temperature. It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. So temperature can be defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Heat can be flow from one body to the other body with the help of temperature difference. If there is the difference in temperature, then only heat flow from one body to the other body. Units. There are 3 main units of the temperature. They are Kelvin. It can be represented with the K. Degree Fahrenheit. It can be represented with F. Celsius. It can be represented with C. And here are some useful conversions. K is equals to C plus 273. And if we want to find the C, then it is K minus 273. F is equals to 9C by 5 plus 32. If we want to find the value of C, then it is 5 minus 32 into 5 by 9. Now let us see an example for this conversion. Let us take C is equals to 37 degrees. Then we need to find the value of K. K is equals to 37 plus 273. 310 310. So if C is equals to 37, then K in the form of Kelvin it is 310 Kelvin. Now let us discuss about volume. Volume occupied by a gas is taken as its volume, and volume of a gas can be measured with the help of an instrument called gas burette. Now let us see the units of volume. It is in SI it is meter cube, and it is in CGS it is centimeter cube, that is cubic centimeter. Most common unit we use for volume is liters or milliliters. And to convert milliliter or liter to centimeter cube, here is some conversion. 1 ml is equals to 1 cubic centimeter. Then 1 liter becomes 1000 cubic centimeters. Now mass. It is the quantity of matter. Quantity of matter is called mass. And units in SI it is kgs and in CGS it is grams. Some useful conversions. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams, that is 10 power 3 grams. Then 1 gram is equals to 10 power minus 3 kgs. And 1 gram is equals to 10 power 3 milligrams. Then 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 3 grams. And we know that 1 gram is equals to 10 power minus 3 kgs. Then 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 6 kgs. Number of moles. What is the definition of mole? It is the quantity of matter which contains same number of units as present in 12 grams of isotope, C12 isotope. Now, 1 mole is equals to 6.023 into 10 power 23. It may be particles, ions or molecules. And number of moles can be represented with the help of small n. And here are some formulas which are useful to find number of moles. Here n is equals to given weight by gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight means molar mass of any substance. For example, O2. O2 is equals to 16 into 32. 2. That is equals to 32 grams. 32 grams is the molar mass of O2. And N is equals to given volume at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure. And by gram molar volume, it is 22.4 liters. And N is equals to given particles by N0. N0 means Avogadro number. Avogadro number is nothing but 1 mole value, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is about the measurable properties of gas. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.